Picture yourself in the 2019 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a tour of this high-performance Porsche Cayenne, the luxury SUV that offers all-wheel drive capability and spacious comfort, yet feels and handles like a finely tuned sports car. Transition seamlessly from serene cruising to feisty backroad frolicking in this multi-talented Cayenne. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.